This one coin is up 400%. Another massive coin looks like a rug pull and is the Bitcoin ETF about to be accepted this week. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when I drop the latest content. Follow us on Twitter, Altcoin Buzz IO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Altcoin Buzz Alpha wants to congratulate you all on a very profitable month of November. Bitcoin rallied past $35,000, is now hovering around 44. On November 4th, we published an Alpha report and mentioned the Bitcoin targets. As we had a target in mind, we planned our November strategy meticulously, and we all achieved our targets. We had overall 61% profit in Bitcoin, 2x profit on 6 of our portfolio coins, 3x profit on our gem calls, 3 to 5x profits on 4 IDOs, and $1,800 profit on buy and sell calls. Join Altcoin Buzz Alpha for only $15 a month and get an 8% discount on yearly subscriptions. Check out the description for more details. Bitcoin hit new 21-month highs on January 2nd as excitement returned to the crypto markets in the Asia trading session. Amid renewed excitement over the United States' first spot Bitcoin ETF, Bitcoin gathered steam to hit $45,900. Rumors over the ETF are swirling, and these include a potential decision coming in advance of the official window, which begins on January 4th. Trader Crypto Tony wrote on X saying, Bitcoin broke up from the triangle I shared yesterday. My main target from a few weeks ago is going back on the cards. All this is in anticipation of the ETF. Analyzing order book changes, fellow trader Skew noted that some selling was taking place, but that this remained comparatively muted in volume. Skew nonetheless noted that earlier shorts had been taken by surprise during the move past $45,000, with perpetual swap traders underprepared for a higher leg. He said, so what's clear here is the perp market was mostly underexposed overall to this current move, which is being driven by spot. So this means with perps trailing spot price, there's going to be a feedback loop of volatility, especially around 45K. Opinions over how markets will react to the decision, whether good or bad, are mixed. Some believe that the green light will open the floodgates of institutional investment capital and that Bitcoin will never be the same as a result. Others see an ETF launch as ultimately a mixed blessing and that the immediate reaction to greenlighting it will be a snap Bitcoin price retracement. 2024 is set to be significant throughout. Just 4 months away lies Bitcoin's next block subsidy halving, and on-chain data shows how miners are preparing for a shock to the system. Network fundamentals are already starting the year right. Data sees a 1.5% difficulty increase this week, taking it to new all-time highs. Also, make sure to check out Randy's TA video on our Altcoin Buzz trading channel to see how he's planning to trade Bitcoin. A relatively unknown altcoin called Tellor or TRB has been thrust into the spotlight after surging nearly 150% to a new all-time high of $619 before plummeting back to $136 in just minutes on December 31st. The unusual trading activity of Tellor was further called into question after Etherscan data showed that the Tellor team had transferred 4,211 TRB worth roughly $2.4 million at the time at around 8:41 p.m. UTC to a Coinbase wallet just as the price spiked. Meanwhile, the sudden drop in the price of Tellor caused more than $68 million in liquidations. However, blockchain analytics platform Spot On Chain said that the wild price swings could also be attributed to the 26% of the circulating supply of TRB being distributed between just 20 whale wallets. The small group of whale addresses began buying up TRB at prices near $15 and has been gradually depositing their holdings in decentralized exchanges amid seemingly artificial price movements to lock in higher profits. TRB is the utility token for Tellor, a decentralized Oracle network similar to Chainlink, which feeds price data to smart contracts running on the blockchain networks. Notably, several decentralized perpetual trading protocols, such as Synthetics and Hyperliquid, were caught in the crossfire, with SNX stakers suffering low seven-figure losses following the sudden move in the price of TRB. In a January 1st post to X, Synthetics founder Kane Warwick wrote that Synthetic stakers had realized roughly $2 million in losses. This was reportedly due to a failure in the automated risk parameters on the decentralized protocol, which did not recognize that TRB's price was being manipulated to produce abnormal price points. Warwick wrote that TRB had a $250,000 open interest cap that ballooned to $12.5 million as the price increased over the past few months. Notably, the open interest cap was set against TRB, not to a fixed notional USD amount, meaning that traders could continue to take outsized bets on decentralized derivatives contracts. Warwick added several short positions were opened as the price spiked today, and with the dislocation of spot and perp prices, there was no ARB to balance it. This should have been adjusted back down, but the risk controls were lax. Ultimately, Warwick concluded that risk management on a decentralized perpetual exchange, such as Synthetics, must be baked in and couldn't be resolved through traditional dispute resolution mechanisms like courts. He added, either you build a robust decentralized trading venue and live by your risk controls, or you're just LARPing as a DEX. I look at these kind of incidents as the cost of being a DEX. And at the same time, box mining on X wrote, craziest manipulation I've ever seen. To be honest, this is only really possible at the project or market maker level. $1 billion in volume, someone needs to go to jail. Our partners at Tectum have officially launched their mainnet staking. You can now stake directly from your SoftNote wallet and earn 25% APY. Tectum wrote on X saying huge lock TVL in less than 2 hours, TET T12 staking has hit over $7 million in total value locked. Stake now up to 25% APY, native mainnet staking, the start of the future of blockchain. Tectum is the only blockchain network to employ a proprietary proof of utility consensus and superfast network protocol, and this protocol optimizes data distribution, and the network protocol enables nodes to distribute and validate over 1 million digital events per second, making Tectum the fastest blockchain in the world by far. Tectum is not only the fastest blockchain in the world, but also the most secure and most adaptable, reaching speeds of 1.38 million transactions per second during peak performance. SoftNote is the flagship product of Tectum and is positioned as the first transactionless payment system, boasting truly instant payment capabilities and a zero-fee policy for the end user. Check out Tectum staking today with the link down below. The paralyzed EVM narrative is seemingly favoring holders of Say Network Say tokens, which have yielded gains of more than 75% for buyers over the past week and were the best performers on the first day of 2024. EVM, which is short for Ethereum Virtual Machine, is a virtual computer where all smart contracts and Ethereum applications are deployed. An EVM-compliant blockchain is another network that can run such applications. Parallelization is a relatively new blockchain process that settles multiple transactions at the same time on the network. Say Network launched in August as a trading-focused blockchain backed by prominent investor Jump Crypto and Multicoin Capital. It was designed with a focus on speed, low fees, and other features tuned to support certain kinds of trading apps. The network's Say tokens reached a $400 million market cap within the first 24 hours after issuance, but gained little in the next few months as on-chain trading behavior remained subdued. However, the recent token trading frenzy in blockchains such as Solana and Avalanche is driving speculators to bet on blockchains other than Ethereum, the usual favorite, and networks such as Say are benefiting. Data shows that on-chain metrics are rapidly heating up for the Say network, favoring bullish bets on ecosystem plays in the short term. Meme coin Sayin, apparently a cult term for Say holders, has gained 400% in the past week, serving as a proxy for the growth of the broader Say ecosystem. As of Tuesday, there's just over $5.5 million locked on Say-based decentralized applications, with trading service Astroport holding more than 95% of that. Meanwhile, liquid staking protocol Kryptonite Sailor tokens have gained 80% in the past 24 hours as users warm up to more fundamental plays. Say's futures open interest, or the number of unsettled contracts, increased to $228 million on Tuesday from $69 million at the start of December, suggesting a large jump in trading interest for the token. Hype for Say could be driven by a forthcoming update that developers say will make the network the fastest blockchain in the market, while adding other features that let project developers deploy audited smart contracts from EVM-compatible networks and introduce parallelization. Once audits are complete, this upgrade will be released in Q1 2024. That's it for Altcoin Buzz Update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.